ground beef, multi-spice. Mix everything together. Fire, hot pan, olive oil on top. Cut tomato. Patty onto hot pan. Cut the bread. Spread mustard on top of the bun. Cut the cheese. Flip the patty. Add cheese on top of the patty. Nice, like so. Cover with a lid. Add onions. Assemble tomatoes. Beautiful. Service hamburger on top. Like so. Onions go on top. Like this. Beautiful. Cover with the bun. Look at this delicious hamburger cheeseburger sandwich. Cut it open. Let's see. Cheese melted. Cooked perfectly. Yummy. Delicious. Homemade cheeseburger. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.